And the answer to that is no. And taxes are not the same, right? So here's the thing, okay? And obviously I'm not a tax specialist. So if you guys are trading, you're making money, you're making some good amount of money and you're doing taxes on your trading. Because if you're not making much, you're not doing taxes. Keep it a buck, right? But if you are making a good amount of money and you're doing, you're doing taxes and you're trading and you're using that as a form of income, then to be honest, there isn't one that's better. I'm not going to say one is better than the other, but again, you do have to understand when you're on an unregulated platform, a lot of the times you're going to be withdrawing with what? What do you guys withdraw with on unregulated platforms? All right, drop it in the chat really quick. By the way, guys, if you guys just hopped on, I see there's more people hopping on right now. Go ahead and like the video for me. This is free knowledge and information that we give you guys here on YouTube. The least you can do for a brother is like the video for the algorithm. Right? Bitcoin, right? Crypto. There you go. All right? Bitcoin, crypto. Okay, so when you're trading unregulated, a lot of the times you're going to be withdrawing through cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency doesn't get taxed the same, okay, as regular income. All right, so are the taxes the same? No, the taxes are different. Because when you're doing your taxes, or just taxes in general, when you make a withdrawal, you have to understand that you are taxed not from the broker. The broker is not who taxes you. You are also not taxed based on the money that you make in the broker. You're not taxed on that either. You are taxed on when it's crypto, you are taxed on the crypto that you sell. Okay? So once I transfer it, so like for example, if I make a withdrawal, right, from Pocket Option to my Coinbase, okay, I'll go ahead, I withdraw to Coinbase. I can withdraw $10,000. I'm not taxed on that $10,000 yet because it goes from Pocket Option to my Coinbase crypto Bitcoin wallet, right? So it's still Bitcoin. It's still an investment. Now, it's only when I sell off on that investment and that Bitcoin now becomes cash, right? And I sell the investment, now that's when the taxes come into play. So once you sell off and you go ahead and that's when you convert that to money, you start transferring it to your bank account, that is when, okay, you get taxed. Now, again, you're not going to get taxed from the broker if it's an unregulated broker overseas or whatever the case may be. Most of the time, you're going to get taxed from where you withdraw to. So Coinbase sends me my taxes every year. Okay, because I withdraw to Coinbase, they send me my taxes. All right, they'll send me my my wins, my losses, capital gains, all that, right? And your taxes, capital gains, by the way. Now here's another thing when it comes to taxes as well. And again, I'm not a tax professional. Okay, just something out there. Okay, just stuff that I learned. I like to learn things and teach you guys as well. Okay, but when you're for crypto, for example, I think the smartest way to go about trading is to trade as a business, right? I mean, any income, you want to have business income, right? Because you get tax benefits and business benefits and all that other kind of stuff, right? So when you're doing Bitcoin or when you're withdrawing through crypto, you cannot trade as a business, okay? You can't do that, all right? So it's going to be seen as personal income, which means you get less advantages tax-wise. Whereas if I'm on like Nadex, for example, which is a regulated platform, okay? Regulated platforms, all right, you'll go ahead and you can withdraw straight to your bank account, and Nadex or the platform itself, all right, because it's going straight to your bank account and it's seen as payment, right? That's a payment. That's where the tax is going to come from. But you can also set your Nadex up when you go ahead and like you put your, and this is more for US people or people who can actually trade Nadex. But when you go ahead and put when you set up your Nadex account or whatever, and it asks for your tax information or your social security or tax ID or whatever the case may be, you can actually set it up as a business. All right. So like little things like that. So like, and I don't know if that's for every broker. I know some brokers do allow that. Setting it up as a business. There are more steps that you have to go through to be able to trade as a business, but it is possible. And then of course, with your business deductions, okay, you get a little bit more business deductions. Because to operate and to run my trading business, there are certain things that I need, like internet, for example, right? So just some sauce for you guys real quick. Some sauce for you guys real quick. But I just wanted to toss that out there so that, again, when you're talking about regulated, unregulated, or brokers that are out of the United States versus brokers that are in the United States, when it comes to taxes, they are different. All right, you do your taxes different.
I feel just like a rock star.